Is technical analysis worth using as a day trader, swing trader, investor? Yes, it absolutely is, and I want to show you some proof, so let's get right to it. So what we're looking at here is from my Discord chat room that I offer. If you're interested in more details, let me know in the comment section. But you can see here that I posted a comment right there, SPY 1 minute key trend line. And then I threw in this image right here, and this is going to look very familiar because I'm going to now take you to how I actually use this trend line. So trend line right there using the technical chart. So that trend line there should look pretty familiar as we just looked at it. But what I want you to take note of is that I right now have an order submitted to the market. Down here, if you're not familiar with how my screen works, white just means the order has been submitted to the market. But until that white order turns green, it doesn't mean that I've actually been able to purchase anything. So I'm looking though to purchase what is known as a put contract up around there. Now don't let that overwhelm you, because that's all besides the point. The point here is using and showing you how charts can work. But if you are interested in learning more about options, comment down below option guide, and I will link you to a free class that I've put together on options trading. But my point here is that I'm looking to purchase something, again, that's something known as a put contract, up that line, because I think there's going to be a bit of a rejection. Maybe not a total rejection where it rolls all the way back over, but at least enough for what I call a sniper shot, where I'm looking to get it in and out very quickly. So that's the thought process here. I've mapped out that trend line, and now I'm looking to see if the price can get up there and then get rejected from it. So I'm going to hit play, and these are my real life results. And I should also note that if you like what you see here, then I offer a playlist of hundreds and hundreds of these videos so you can see technical analysis in motion. But let's get it playing here. So right there, you can see that that white order has now turned to green, meaning I have purchased one contract at 26.50. So now it's a question of, and you can see right here, the price hasn't quite hit it, but that's with options. It's a small guessing game there, but close enough. And now you can see right now, the price is literally at the trend line. So the question becomes, okay, is the rejection going to happen? And I don't need a huge rejection, but I do need a bit of a rejection so I can get my sniper shot. I'm looking to sell now at 27, which would give me a very quick $50 scalp in my favor. But let's see if that trend line is going to reject or not. So you can see the price at it coming down here a little bit, coming down, coming down, coming down. You can see it has gotten rejected. I need a little bit more of a rejection. And just like that, not a huge rejection, but that's all I needed. And then looking over here, you can see I just got $50 in my pocket. That whole trade lasted less than 10 seconds. So pretty cool, huh? Just drew a simple trend line using technical analysis and put $50 in my pocket, but there's more. Now, unfortunately, when I was making this live trade video, I did not capture this rejection, but you can see once again, price actually dropped all the way down here, came all the way back up, and wouldn't you know it, got rejected once again from that line. So that is now a second time. And like I said, I missed that one. So that could have been very realistically another $50, but sometimes that occurs. So that is now twice where that trend line has worked, and it worked very, very nicely. But yeah, you guessed it, there's more. Now in this situation, I was able to capture it live on video. So as you can see right here, the candle is approaching that red line. What is going to occur? So right there, it is right at that line. Sitting right there. And like a buffoon, I'm not putting on a trade. And look at it pulling back. Pulling back, pulling back. So once again, that pullback right there, as you saw with that first trade, would have been very, very realistically another $50. But isn't that amazing? You saw that trend line in place, had it posted in the chat room. It was already in place. And then once, twice, 3 times, the price came up and was rejected from it, which would have led to very good, solid profits. And you saw me take that one, but then I went into buffoon mode. And I think we all have our buffoon moments every now and then, but I'm glad I at least took that one and got the quick scalp there, but then you saw it work a couple more times, and that is the power of charts. Now, I'm not sitting here saying charts are a holy grail and they work all the time and they're flawless. Absolutely not. That does not exist. but I would encourage you to at least consider learning more about them if you have not. If you want to use the stuff that I offer, you can go to claytrader.com. If not, that's totally cool too. I'll let you do your own research, but the idea here is to hopefully motivate you and persuade you to at least seriously consider adding technical analysis and the use of technical charts to your trading. So again, if you want to learn more from me, claytrader.com, but if not, check out whatever resources you find most valuable. But that's what I have for you. Is technical analysis worth it? It absolutely is, and you just saw the proof here. No hindsight lines like a textbook's going to give you. I literally showed you the trend line before the price ever got to it. I put my money where my mouth is, took a trade on it, profited from it, and then you saw it play out a couple more times there. So I'm not quite sure how much more proof I could offer you in terms of whether or not technical analysis is worth it. But that's what I have. So if you have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave those down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.